like the scene I have never seen before in my life.
Sela, bakwas kori na thak. Notice dekha.
Couldn't, I mean, with those winter gloves, my hands were always feeling numb. So today what I'm doing is I'm trying with these Decathlon gloves. Battery just died. It was full battery, 100%. Recorded for like not even a minute, and it died. I don't know if it's because of the cold or some Hero 7 bug. Time is about 6:40.
Thank you so much, man.
Yep. So okay, that guy had no helmet. So they have this policy here. So no helmet, no fuel. Yes, we bumped into each other again. Bon voyage. But meet again. I was thinking I'll have a breakfast up there on the mountains. I think they just had their breakfast here. I saw their bikes. That's them on 2 unicorn. It's a KL vehicle, dude. Kerala, Karnataka, bye bye. It's fucking cold. Even with all the gloves, this is the only part actually I'm somehow struggled in Leh, and even I'm struggling here. I'll show you this. Look at there. I hope you guys saw even last time. It really amazes me like how humans can, what they are capable of. It's almost cliff on all 3 sides. I think there might be some way on the one side and someone on the other side, and you have fields there. It's really amazing. Probably everybody knows everyone there. And also someone said it snowed or it's still snowing in Sela Pass. I'm not sure how I'll ride there. It seems like it snowed heavy last night. Hello.
ऊपर गए हो कभी?
क्या मिलेगा भैया ब्रेकफास्ट? इडली है बस? एक प्लेट इडली
मालूम मराठी लैंग्वेज.
Hello, Arun.
मानवीन सिंह कानपुर से।
Is it getting tough, is it?
हाँ 3 लोग।
3 लोग हैं यूपी से?
हाँ
All the way you are riding from? Awesome, man. Hello. So let's meet ahead.
ठीक है।
We'll see you. This is the tough part where bike keeps slipping. You won't get a grip proper. While coming back, I was actually off the slush, and now I'm finding the slush, and I'm actually going there. It's easy on the slush than on the ice. I'm going to drop the bike for sure. Start. Slush, I love it. I love it. Oh, I'm dropping my bike, not yet. I feel like a professional rider now. Okay, oh, this is a bigger one. A big slush. Okay, that was tough. I did not actually thought I could make it. It was crazy. The actual Sela pass is up there, so I can't be that confident that I made it. I made that small stretch though. It was slippery. It was a bit scary, but somehow it was a good experience. And I have this like $1 million views. If you see on the back side of this is like the scene I have never seen before in my life. This is amazing. That's nice, and there's the bikers from UP. You guys are from UP, right?
Yeah.
So how was the ride so far?
Actually, एक्सीडेंट हुआ। Okay.
Really?
हाँ, और मेरे दोनों फुटर्स टूट गए।
Oh shit, man.
हाँ, तो इसलिए अभी
Where it happened?
बाइक जस्ट स्टम्बल्ड अप और ये दोनों ही फुटर्स टूट गए।
कब ऑयल जाते वक्त?
नहीं, अभी 30 किलोमीटर्स 20 किलोमीटर।
Oh my god. Oh no footrest.
No, both sides.
Oh fucking hell! I was like,
But it's okay.
oh shit. Man, this. Are you able to
Yeah,
ride?
yeah.
Fine. And there he goes. Terrains will actually teach you a lot of lessons. But yeah, you can't be prepared for all of that. There's another guy from UP. So how was it so far? So this is the Sela Pass Lake and how it's actually looking now. The other guy was telling all his shoes were wet, but I'm wearing this Decathlon shoes. As of now, I don't feel like any water went in. A lot of slush, but so far so good. Decathlon ge jai. If I put my visor, I can't see anything. And if I don't put visor, this snow keep hitting my eyes. See, I'm catching. So if you remember, I actually stopped last time here, New Padang War Memorial. I think I made a video about it. And the other thing which I like about it is I'll show you. This place is like super clean. Everything they maintained like very neat. They have a toilet over there. It's like super clean toilets. And they have all the essentials if you want to buy some of those army things. And there's a nice setup to sit here. And there's a small canteen. You get a lot of this food items here. Super weather, super hot samosa. Best thing is nobody is here. So I found this place. This is the Hotel Dirang Resort. So there's a room. She said about $1,200. I bargained for 800. I kept my luggage. Will be off to Dirang. Sorry, Sancti Valley.